Satnam. This is a video to demonstrate tuning in with the Adi Mantra from Kundalini Yoga. So the Adi Mantra is Ong, O-N-G, Ong Namo, Gurudev Namo, loosely translated to mean I bow to the divine wisdom within me, I bow to the divine wisdom beyond me. Ong, when chanting this O-N-G, you want to get a little bit of nasal resonance to brighten all of the energy up in the brain. So make sure that you get some of that nasal activity, really holding the NG. You're also going to pull the navel back on the Ong, very strong. And then Namo, Gurudev Namo. I've seen it taught on one breath and two breaths, and we will do it on one breath. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Make sure, please, that you are sitting comfortably and also sitting up very straight. If the floor is not a comfortable place for you to practice, make sure that you move yourself to seated against a wall, or you can sit in a chair, of course. And we'll begin by bringing the palms together, rub them. Press the thumbs into the sternum, make sure the entire palm is touching all the way up to the tips of the fingers, and sit very tall. Let your shoulders roll down your back, and you'll engage just a little neck lock so that the back of the neck lengthens and you're reaching through the crown of the head towards the ceiling. Be mindful also of the body position of the shoulders, that they're lined up over the hips and not leaning forward. This can happen quite a bit, so take a moment just to connect with your posture. Make sure that you are comfortable, but also sitting up very straight and tall, allowing the energy to flow through the entire spinal column. And now gently close your eyes. Please begin to breathe very deeply in and out through only your nose. Remember, we're doing this mantra, this Adi mantra, this primal mantra, to start either a yoga practice or a meditation practice. And this really serves as an invocation where we are aligning our energy with all of the practitioners, all of the masters who have come before us. So when we tune in, we want to already have our attention very centered, very focused. Take these few deep breaths to consolidate yourself. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Inhale to begin the Adi Mantra, chanted 3 times. Namo Gurudev Namo. Namo Gurudev Namo. Namo Gurudev Namo. Take a deep inhale. Sit very, very tall. Retain the breath at the top of the inhalation without locking the throat. Hold in this precious breath and feel its effect in the body. Through the nose, exhale. Once more, inhale full and deep. Sit tall. Tune in to this precious breath. Exhale. And gently open your eyes and you're ready to begin your practice. Sat Nam.